In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a listing on eBay in 2025. The full step-by-step guide that's quick, simple, and up-to-date. Whether you've already sold your item elsewhere, changed your mind, or just want to tidy up your eBay store, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your eBay account. It sounds obvious, but it's the most important step because you can't manage or remove listings without being logged in. So, go to ebay.com, click sign in, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your eBay homepage. From here, head to the My eBay section. You'll find it at the top of the page. Hover over or click on it, then select Selling. The My eBay section is basically your control center. It's where you manage all your buying, selling, and account activity. When you click Selling, you'll be taken to your selling dashboard. Now, look for the Listings tab and click on it. You'll see several categories, but the one we want is Active. This is where all your currently live listings appear, everything that's visible to buyers right now. Scroll through your active listings until you find the specific item you want to delete. Take your time here. If you have multiple items for sale, you'll want to make sure you're selecting the right one to avoid accidentally ending the wrong listing. Once you've found it, check the box next to that listing. Then, look to the right side of your screen for the Actions drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several management options. From that list, choose End Listing. A quick confirmation may pop up. This is just eBay's way of making sure you really want to remove it. Confirm and your listing will be ended immediately. It'll no longer appear in search results or be available for purchase. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your listing on eBay. It's a straightforward process, but knowing how to properly manage and remove listings keeps your eBay store organized, professional, and customer friendly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other eBay tutorials. I've got plenty more guides to help you simplify your online selling experience. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy selling.